When KB5074109 fails to install, it usually means the WinSxS component store is corrupted. Required update dependencies or SSU are missing. Previous updates left Windows in an inconsistent state. Windows Update cache is damaged. Here are the solutions for these errors.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. Restart your PC. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate software distribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update.